Different ways to say congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Heartiest congratulations on winning the gold medal. Kudos to you. Well done. Kudos to you for finishing the marathon. Bravo. Bravo. That piano recital was amazing. 3 cheers for you. 3 cheers for successfully organizing this event. Magnificent effort. What a magnificent effort. You scored state A's. Tip of the hat to you. Tip of the hat to you for leading the team so well. Excellently played. Excellently played. That goal sealed the victory. Superb performance. Superb performance. You truly deserve this promotion. Marvelous done. Marvelously done. You exceed all expectations. Very well deserved. Such a proud moment. You worked incredibly hard for this accomplishment.